Welcome everyone to the fall semester in Social Work 590. This is your first research course for the Advanced Generalist Practice Program. You're going to do 590 this semester, 595 next semester. They are connected. We'll be working together. So what we do this semester will continue next semester. I've got you started with a scavenger hunt. If you will complete the scavenger hunt, that's going to orient you to everything that we're going to use in D2L this semester. Your assignments are all in there, all open, all available for you. The first 3 weeks, or the first 3 modules, I believe, are fully ready for you. I'm needing to update some of my recordings and my presentations on some additional modules, and I'll have those done before the end of the week. But I've got everything open so you can go through, you can see it, you can complete the scavenger hunt, become familiar with what this course is going to require. You're going to actually, in addition to doing 4 article analysis, and each article is on a different research methodology: survey, case study, group design, single system design. So that's going to help get you familiar with the different types of research studies. You're also going to complete a single subject design. It's an experiential activity that's a part of this class to learn how to do that. You'll be paired with somebody in the class. You'll be the researcher or the practitioner who's going to evaluate an intervention, and your partner is going to be the client who's going to carry out the intervention, and flip-flop. They will also be the practitioner for you, and you will be the client. There'll be more explanation on that. It kind of sounds complicated, but it's really not. And it gets you through the process of being a practitioner and a client involved in a single subject design research, which we use to evaluate practice. You're also going to be together in a group, and you're going to complete an online questionnaire, and we'll use it as a survey project. And in learning how to develop an online questionnaire to gather data to answer a research question, we will send this out to 10 friends and family, and we'll get some data back. So you'll have the experiential activity of what it means to create a questionnaire, develop questions that can get data that will answer a research question. I'll be providing you the research question and the context for that. The big part of this class is you're going to actually complete a research proposal. So the proposal or project plan, you're going to be assigned a topic. You're going to conduct a literature review. Based off of the literature review, you're going to develop a methodology. You're going to create informed consents. You're going to find measurement tools. We're going to do this step by step throughout the semester. And your final project will be submitting that research proposal. You'll need to have the research proposal submitted and approved so that next semester you're actually going to carry it out and collect data as we learn how to analyze the data and do the statistical portion of that. So there are drafts of each of those components in that research proposal that's due throughout the semester, and you must submit those drafts to get the feedback so that when you submit the final paper, everything should be in place for you. So you need to stay on top of things, check those due dates, get into those assignments, look at what's required on them. Each one of them has a goal of teaching you methods of research and walking you through everything from the literature review to developing measurement tools or finding measurement tools to understanding research methods and how to implement those. I start off with a research flow process model that I use. I've developed it over the years, and I actually use this process when I'm developing my own research studies because it takes us through the context of what we do in social work research. So you can always refer back to that. So you're going to become familiar with the research model. You need to stay familiar with ethical issues, the ethical issues that we run into whenever we're doing research with clients. Just as in our practice, our clients have autonomy. Research participants have autonomy. They get to choose if they want to participate or not, and they need enough information to know what that choice is going to be. So we're going to talk a little bit more about that throughout the semester. We can actually come together in live sessions if that's what everybody wants to do, or we can keep this totally asynchronous where you kind of work on your own and review the material. Every Tuesday, except this Tuesday, but every Tuesday after this from 7 to 9 a.m., I will be live in the D2L classroom, so you can hop on and just ask questions. It's like virtual office hours. And so every Tuesday from 7 to 9, I'm just there. I'm live, and anybody who pops in, I'll be more than happy to answer questions for you. We can schedule other times to have conversations also throughout the semester. I encourage you to work ahead, to stay ahead. You have to submit things on time. We can't be submitting things late because that just goes against everything for social work. As we're preparing to be those practitioners, or as many of you may already be in the practice field, you understand the importance of deadlines. And so I need you to submit by your deadline so that I can get you feedback in a timely manner. So if you'll start with here on the course home, the scavenger hunt, reviewing the assignments, reviewing these initial pre-recorded lectures, reading your book, looking at your course resource folder, all of that, then you'll get a good orientation of what we are going to be doing in the weeks that come forward. I will be updating material. I will be adding resources throughout the semester. As students have questions, if things are not clear, I can redo things for you, but I need to know. You need to communicate with me so that I know what you need to be successful in the course. So welcome to the fall semester. I'm excited to get it started, excited to get the research started. And I hope you have an amazing semester, and I hope I get to see you some, even if it's just virtually, throughout the semester. So good luck to you, and welcome to Social Work 590.